Hey, my name's Jeff from ValleyPest up on the mid-north coast, New South Wales. We've got a client who has a issue with pigeons nesting underneath air conditioning units in a block of units up on the rooftop balcony area. So they called us in to put in a bird-proofing structure to keep the birds out. So we went with the AvePro bird netting system, and I'll walk you through that enclosure now.
We'll give you an idea of the area we're working with. It's an outdoor balcony, part of a nice block of units. This is the area with the air conditioning units, in which the pigeons have been getting under and nesting, and you can just see the nest of everything down here. Not to mention out in the courtyard. So this was an exposed area, and the last 2 days here, putting in the AvePro 19mm deluxe bird netting. Put up some safety signs as well, because it's created a low area in here. So coming in, we've meshed up the gate to stop the pigeons getting in that way. Part of the structure, we'll put in steel posts and a stainless steel cable system to create the framework for the netting. And we've used the existing fence as well. We've run our cables from the existing fence, so the netting's come right down to prevent the birds from getting access through the fence panels. There's also overflows in the parapet wall that we've meshed up to stop any birds from gaining access that way. Put some access zippers in once you're in this enclosure. To get to the gate lock, you just simply open up the zipper, open up the gate lock, and you're out. So looking through, it's come up really well. Notice that the birds have been sitting on top of the net, obviously trying to get to their resting, nesting areas underneath these air conditioning units. Under here is where they've been getting access right through here. Even an old dead one in there, and our little nest been there. We're going to work our way around the clothesline. These poles are the structure for the clothesline on the other side. So we simply work the netting around those poles, and up this end as well. Client wanted access through to this area here, so we've put in a zipper to give access through the net into this area here. So there you have it, another successful proofing job. They did have a TV aerial that we'd raised through here. Once again, put an access zipper in. Any maintenance to the aerial can be done. And that's it. I'll have no more problems here with pigeons. Alright, well I'm Jeff from ValleyPest. Hope you enjoyed our short video. We'll see you soon.